Stop refreshing Studio every 10 minutes. If your shorts are stuck at a few views while the feed feels frozen, you're probably not shadow banned. You're in a low-trust loop and you can break it with a clear system. Really listen. 5 steps. Judge the video like a stranger. Post a short test batch. Run push-pull when 3 flops stack. Pivot niche or style only after failed cycles. Clean the graveyard then ship again. That is the unfreeze map. Stay with me. 1. Viewer quality check. Would a stranger finish this? 2. Cadence test 5 to 10 posts before you panic. 3. Push-pull stop feeding a dead signal. 4. Break, rebuild packaging, return stronger. 5. After 2 or 3 failed cycles, change style or niche and private the flops. Step 1. Quality from the outside. You're too close to your own edit. Watch it muted for 3 seconds. Does the first frame stop a scroll? Does the title promise one clear thing? #soup does not save a weak open. Study competitors that are actually climbing. Steal the structure of a hook, not the file. Weak, invincible plus emoji spam plus 10 hashtags and a soft first second. Strong. One specific title, clean first frame, pay off the promise fast. Also strong. Ask would I swipe away if this wasn't my channel, then fix what fails that test. Step 2. Earn a real sample. Consistency matters until you have a batch. Post 5 to 10 shorts with the same system before you declare the channel dead. 1 flop proves nothing. A streak of dead tests is data. Weak. 2 uploads, 0 views. Delete the niche tonight. Strong. 5 to 10 posts, same packaging rules, log CTR and average view percentage. Also strong. If early videos sit at single-digit views while packaging is clearly broken, fix packaging before you blame the algorithm. Step 3. Push-pull. Here's the rule people skip. If you get 3 dead shorts in a row, a few views that never move, stop posting. Do not feed consistency into a channel YouTube already learned to ignore. Pull back. Treat the silence as a signal. Keep posting into a freeze and you teach the system your ceiling is tiny. Weak. 20 more identical flops because someone said never miss a day. Strong. 3 cold posts in a row, then a full pause. Also strong. Use the pause to rebuild titles, hooks, and first frames, not to doom scroll Studio. Step 4. The break and the return. 4 to 7 days is a useful reset window for many creators. Reevaluate edit style, title pattern, and whether the niche still has climbing comps. Come back with a better first short than the ones that froze you. Sometimes the next post wakes up. Sometimes it doesn't. 1 bounce to 15,000 views is a green light to keep the system, not a reason to get reckless. Weak. Same week open after 5 days of waiting and hoping. Strong. New hook pattern. Cleaner title. Stronger first frame. Then post. Also strong. If the return post still dies, run 1 more push-pull cycle before you burn the niche. Step 5. Pivot or clean house. If you run push-pull 2 or 3 times and every return still flatlines, change the editing style hard or change the niche. Patience is not the same as stubbornly shipping content nobody finishes. Private the graveyard of 1 view flops if it helps you reset mentally. Privating old dead shorts is not a secret punishment. It just removes noise while you test the new pattern. Weak. Keep the dead niche forever because you already made a logo. Strong. New style or new niche after 2 or 3 honest failed cycles. Also strong. Private the 0 view stack, then launch the rebuilt system clean. What you get? A 5-step unfreeze loop. Quality, batch, push-pull, return, pivot without pretending you're banned. What you don't get? A guaranteed multi-million view rebound. Someone else's screenshots are not your studio. Your retention graph is the only scoreboard. Disclose synthetic voice when required. Check the video. Test a batch. Pull when it freezes. Rebuild. Pivot if the cycles fail. That's how you unfreeze a shorts channel fast without feeding the freeze.